To remove your gear cable, you should loose the nut on the side of the derailleur using a toolkit. Or you can also use a cutting plier or a wrench to loose the nut. Then remove the wire using a cutting plier. Then remove it through the hose. Remove through all the hoses of the frame and pull the outer cable from the inner cable. Then remove from all the places nicely. Then remove from the shifter also. Then push the wire outside the shifter, it will come automatically outside, and pull it nicely so the cable gets outside from the shifter, as you can see here. Then put the new cable through the hole like similarly how you removed. Then pull it nicely so the end can stuck inside the shifter. Then put the inner cable through the outer cable and stuck it outside the shifter nicely. Then put through all the hoses of the frame and also through the derailleur hose. Pass it through the derailleur hose nicely and tight it on the derailleur nut with the help of washer into the place. Then slowly tight the nut with the hand first. Then again use your multi-tool to tight the nut on the derailleur to place your cable tightly there. Remember to keep the chain on the 6th or 7th gear of your freewheel and shift your shifter also to the 7th gear, and tight the derailleur nut so that the cable do not slip from the derailleur. If the cable is loose, your derailleur will not shift properly. Then using a cutting plier, cut the end of the wire how much you require. Then make it round and nice using a cutting plier again. At the end of the wire, put a gear wire end cap at the end of the cable.
It's getting harder, you turn my heart up, throw me in water. I'm getting higher, just to feel ya, cause I need to. No one knows it.
Then again using your cutting plier, bend the end of the end cap nicely so that it do not fall down and protects your cable from fading out. Now we are done with our work with the finest finishing. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.